They say that Rome wasn't built in a day, but they also say that all big things have small beginnings. Whether it's building a business, a relationship, or a habit, the truth is that every day counts. And when it comes to your life, it's no different. You can't transform your entire life in an instant, but by focusing on building better daily habits, you can set yourself up for success. So if you're ready to unlock the power of daily habits and transform your life one day at a time, keep watching. Habit 1. Start small. When it comes to building new habits, it's important to start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire routine overnight because, let's be honest, it's just not sustainable. Instead, focus on making small changes that you can stick to over time. For example, if you want to build a habit of going to the gym, start with just going once a week and then gradually increase from there. Or if you want to build a habit of reading more, start with just reading 1 page a day, and then work your way up to more. The key is to start small and then gradually increase the difficulty over time. That way you'll be more likely to stick with your new habit. Habit 2. Be specific. When setting goals, it's important to be specific. This means that you need to clearly define what you want to achieve and how you're going to do it. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get healthier," say, "I want to go to the gym 3 times a week and eat 5 servings of fruit and vegetables a day." By being specific, you give yourself a clear roadmap to follow, and you make it easier to track your progress and celebrate your successes along the way. So if you want to build a habit that sticks, make sure to be specific about what you want to achieve and how you're going to do it. Habit 3. Reward yourself. When you reward yourself for sticking to your new habit, you create a positive feedback loop that makes it more likely that you will continue to stick to it in the future. It doesn't have to be anything major. A simple pat on the back or a few words of encouragement can go a long way. You could also treat yourself to something small, like a new book or a movie night. Just make sure that the reward is something that you genuinely enjoy, and that motivates you to continue sticking to your new habit. Remember, the goal is to make the habit enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. So don't be afraid to experiment with different rewards until you find what works best for you. Habit 4. Be patient. Building new habits takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you slip up or miss a day. Just pick yourself up and get back on track as soon as you can. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. So be patient with yourself and trust in the process. Celebrate your successes along the way and use any setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. With time and persistence, you'll be able to build new habits that will improve your life in big and small ways. Habit 5. Keep learning. As we wrap up our discussion on the 5 daily habits that can transform your life, let's talk about the importance of keeping up with current events and expanding your body of knowledge. In an ever-changing world, it's crucial to stay informed and educated. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch documentaries to keep learning and keep growing. By expanding our minds, we open ourselves up to new ideas and perspectives that can help us live better lives. It's never too late to learn something new, so make a habit of it and watch what happens. In conclusion, every day is a new opportunity to build better habits and improve your life. Start small, be specific, reward yourself, be patient, and keep learning. It is time to unlock the power of daily habits and transform your life one day at a time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to download our free guide to help you on your journey to success. We wish you all the best in your life. May you find happiness, success, and fulfillment in all your endeavors. Take care and see you soon.